still losing.
Full.
Walking to the distance when I got my eyes closed, so grandma gives me every heart. 1980, yeah, that got maybe. 89, I started to get mine. 99, I started.
Red Metcalf's here.
Who could kill so sadistically and why?
Nico, the crash team is alive!
And he heard his own post-mortem.
How could that happen?
3 men have died in your custody. And you dare to suggest that I'm an incompetent butcher?
What links the victims?
Mustn't blame yourself, Red. I don't.
I'll be where you are. You can't do this alone.
I want to know what you're covering up.
I told you to hand this over at the start.
Why now? What under our noses?
Ken Stott is back. Messiah, released soon on BBC One. A chance to see in full today's Community Shield between Arsenal and Man U in a few minutes on BBC One after Michael Fish with the Weather View.
Hello to you. We've just seen another scorcher, the temperature almost up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It isn't going to last though. Very different weather I think in the days ahead. Much less settled. But earlier on those temperatures soared and soared. At least they did in eastern parts of the country because that's where skies stayed largely clear. 27, 28 degrees, even 30, 31 by the afternoon. But in the west it turned cooler as this band of cloud brought in some thundery rain. In fact, that's linked out into the Atlantic to this quite, for the time of year at least, vicious area of low pressure, the same one that caused the problems for those rowers earlier on. And in fact, that area of low pressure is going to be with us right the way through the week, hardly moving as you see for Thursday, and it may well still even be around at the weekend. And that's going to give us some pretty nasty weather, some persistent heavy rain during the course of the night through Monday and again on Wednesday, more particularly Scotland, northern and eastern parts of England. In fact, a band of heavy and in places thundery rain will continue to ease across the country during the rest of the night, not getting to the northeast, somewhat drier weather following into some western areas. And it's going to be another one of those quite sticky nights in many parts of the country. Now the weather system bringing the heavy and thundery rain grinds to a halt during the course of Monday, so it does mean to say that we're going to find a three-way split. Northeast Scotland stays ahead of it, out of trouble, fairly cloudy but dry. For Northern Ireland, much of Wales and the southwest behind it, brighter, some sunshine, but showers developing. In between a band of cloud and outbreaks of heavy and thundery rain, which will ease a little bit further eastwards as the day goes on. Some eastern coastal counties may just about manage to start off dry. Still quite humid in those eastern areas, temperatures a little bit lower, closer to normal in the west. On Tuesday, that weather system still not very far away from eastern areas, so still giving some rain in the northeastern half of Scotland, perhaps some southeastern areas of England as well, but otherwise behind it, it's a brighter picture. There'll be some sunshine, but there'll also be some showers developing, more particularly in southwestern parts. Now the front actually comes back again on Wednesday, which means to say it's going to produce some further outbreaks of rain. Those will move through Scotland into northern parts of England during the day. South of it, it's a brighter story, again with some sunshine, but some showers developing, and some of those showers could end up heavy and indeed thundery. Now what's left of that weather system will continue to push gradually southwards on Thursday, but probably fizzling all the while, so just a few showers left I think probably during the course of the day. And on Thursday it does look like ending up fairly showery in many parts of the country, some of those showers quite heavy and thundery. And then we have the area of low pressure still around on Friday, squeezing out of the way into the weekend, but still close enough to keep the weather at the end of the week and maybe even into the weekend a mixture of sunshine and showers. And again, some of those showers could turn out to be heavy and thundery, more particularly in eastern and southern parts of the country, getting a little bit better probably further north. Well, that's all from me. Let me wish you all a very good night.
Watching Mind, Body and Kick-Ass moves could make you think that you could harness the ancient powers of Chi, like martial arts expert Chris Crudelli here. This would be a mistake. Mind, Body and Kick-Ass moves, Mondays at 9 on BBC Three. Don't try this at home. To see Mind, Body and Kick-Ass moves, you need BBC Three. To get digital, call 08700 10 10 10.
It's back. Match of the day starts Saturday at 10:30 on BBC One.
And before the Premiership gets going, there's the small matter of the Community Shield. Today's game replayed now on BBC One.